Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. It is sunset right now already. Actually, the sun has set already, as you can see in my background. It reminded me of something that I want to share with everyone. One of the things that I love to do is I love to look at sunsets, or I actually like to take pictures of it, and I like to take or look at the pictures of sunset. For me, it's a it's very nice, very soothing for me, very relaxing, and it just makes me think of how magnificent, how wonderful the world is. But when I look at sunsets, one thing that I notice is when it's sometimes when you have clouds, it actually makes the sunset a lot prettier. It gives you different colors. Sometimes it makes the sunset, more red or more orange. It gives you that different kind of that shades. Um, it's for me just it comes out as a more contrasting color. It comes out as a better picture, and for me it's something that I like more to see. And what I want to share with that is, in life, cloudy times makes better stories, similar to how the sunset is. When there's clouds there, you see that it comes out, it's more magnificent. It comes out as a better picture. Life is the same thing. We're going through some tough times right now. There's clouds everywhere. Some people actually tell you that this is like, you have like a hurricane or tornado already in life. But those clouds make for, better stories. These challenges, these hard times will make us stronger. It will shape us into having stronger personality, a better personality, and we come out better afterwards. So that's something that I want to share with everyone is cloudy times like this. Once we get over this, it creates better stories once we are going to share this with our loved ones, with our kids, or maybe with our grandkids. And looking back, it gives us more, either more action, or it gives you more drama to the story. And overall, so it gives you better stories to tell. Just something to keep in mind, as I know a lot of people are struggling and going through tough times. This will end, and it will create better stories for us. I'll see you next time. Bye.